welcome back to the channel. Lower Michigan Adventures, aka Jimmy Boy. And what I have is a little product review. I actually ordered these with my own money. Buyer beware. Just because they say they're going to work with your unit doesn't always mean they work with your unit. So I'm going to actually test these out. They're C2C connection cables for Action DJI Mic 2 cables. They say they work with the DJI, but they do not work with the DJI. When you go to plug them in, they actually make a humming noise. What I actually found works is I had my buddy send me this here cable, and I'll put a link in the description for this cable that actually does work with the DJI Mic 2s. I also got the C2C that actually came with it, but it's actually a little bit long, so I wanted something shorter. So on the website, I'm going to put the link to these down in the description. It says they work with the DJI Osmo Action 4 and 3. And I believe it actually says something about the Rode mics too. Works with the Rode and the Mini. So we're going to see. We're going to plug these in real quick and I'm going to show you. These are actually supposed to work with all these different cameras. And this is actually the Osmo Action DJI 4. And they don't work. So I'm going to show you these. And I'm also going to put down in the description not to buy. So I'm going to put the link to these and put it in the description. Don't buy. Don't get duped because they're not all the same. So I'm going to get ready to hook this one up. I have my DJ. Don't drop it, Jimmy. Got my DJI Microphone 2. Right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to put it on my shirt without dropping it. Then I'm going to turn this camera on like that. I'm going to plug in the back. Let's take it around here. Right here. Let me see. Plug right here in the back. Click. And then we're going to plug it right here in the side. Just like that. And we ain't got a whole lot of battery, so we got to get busy with the program. Then come over here and turn that on. Now it appears like it's working, right? So it appears to be working, but that's all it does. If you look over here on this screen, let me show you right here. I don't know if we can see that. So it looks like it's working, but it's sticking. And I'm not sure what. But if I say like this, start recording, it's not even responding to any of the commands at all. And when you go to unplug this, it's going to have a humming noise when you go to try to. Let's just hit record because right now it's not recording. Now, let me flip it around, camera, it is recording. So it hears something, but it's not, it's going to be garble. I'm going to walk over here Jimmy boy, can you hear me? Hello? It says that we're recording. Are we recording? They've got minds of their own. Now this one's recording. Stop recording. You too. Stop recording. Stop recording. You guys are driving me crazy. Make up your mind. Stop recording. So, right here. Test, test. Jimmy, do we have a good connection? Let me see if I can switch this screen around. So I'm clear over here, and it's working really well. So my wire, my C to C, works. And I'm going to leave a link in the description for this one. And I'm going to put in the description, buyer beware, don't get duped on these other two, because I paid $32 shipping them to the house just to find out they don't work. Stop recording. Yeah, right, Jimmy. I'm clear over here by the couch. Whisper. Say it softer, Jimmy. Say it softer. Now let's do the playback. Are these chords working right? This is the one I would choose. Let's play it back for him. Stop recording, Jimmy. Yeah, right, Jimmy. I'm clear over here by the couch. Whisper. Say it softer, Jimmy. Say it softer. Now let's do the playback. Are these chords working right? This is the one I would choose. Let's play it back for him. Stop recording, Jimmy. I'm going to unplug this. Now I got to swipe up. And hit play. Yeah, right, Jimmy. I'm clear over here by the couch. Whisper. Say it softer, Jimmy. Say it softer. Now let's do the playback. Are these chords working right? This is the one I would choose. Let's play it back for him. Stop recording, Jimmy. Now I unplugged the mic altogether. This is my regular Osmo Action. And now they're in sync. No microphone plugged in. But we'll just say stop recording. Sometimes this one don't like listening. What did I say, Osmo Action? Stop recording. They've got minds of their own. Now this one's recording. Stop recording. Oh, did I mention right here, it also says that these are not for charging, they're only for audio. And it specifically says right here on the website that they're for the Rode Microphone Go 2s. They work with that. They work with the DJI Action 3s, 4s, and also it works with the DJI Pocket 3 too. Oh, by the way, it also says you can call customer support 24 hours a day, what have you not, and they'll help you figure this out. I got nowhere. I got nothing for you. So, I know this is probably not going to show it. That's going to be the brand name down there in the description. And FYI, don't buy this. You'll be sending it back. Don't be a Jimmy boy. Later, guys.